Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we completed with our lesson of making panna, correct? Kairi panna. How to make it, procedure is told to you that you can do when summer season will approach. You can do that experiment at home, and not experiment, you can say you can make that cold drink at home, okay? Today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is language study. Now in language study we are going to study about position words. Which words? Position words. Position words means what? The words which gives position to anything. If I will say you, pen is in the hand, in, okay. Next, book is on the table. Where is book? Then you will say on table. On is what? Position of a book. The words which tells position of books are called position words, and those position words we are going to study today. Here it is told that look at the pictures, read aloud and enact. Here it is. Now there is some conversation given over here. Oh, I need my English book. Now what teacher is saying here? Oh, I need my English book to complete my project. Where is it? Where is it? Then she finds that book in the house and she says on the table. No. She goes and checks on the table. Then she says on the table. No. On. On means what? कशावरती तरी ठेवणार आहे. On. Near the TV. No. Behind the bag. No. Under the chair. No. In my purse. Yes. Now which all words are used in this sentence? In this sentences, on the table, near the TV, on the table, near the TV, behind the bag, under the chair, in my purse. Now in this sentences we are using which words? On the table, near the TV, behind the bag, under the chair, in my purse. On, near, behind, under, in. These all words are position words. What they are? They are all position words. They tells us position of the thing. Correct? They tells us what? They tells us position of thing. When I say on the table, what is no question I cannot ask like that. Where is the book? Then you will say on the table, position. On word tells position. Where is the book? Near the TV, near. Okay, it gives some relation. It tells relation of book and TV. Behind the bag, it tells some relation between bag and book. It tells under the chair, it tells some relation between book and chair. It tells some relation of book and purse. Correct? When question is asked, where is the book? I need a project book. Where it is? On the table. Then answer you are telling no. Near the TV? No. Behind the bag? No. Under the chair? Under the chair? No. In my purse? Yes. It is in my purse. When I will say only the table, where is my project book? The table? You will understand anything? No. If I will say the TV, you will understand anything? No. When I will say the bag, you will understand anything? Under the chair, when I will say the chair, you will understand anything? No. When I will say my purse, Will you understand anything? No. So these are words which tells position of thing, and such words are also called prepositions. What they are called? They are called prepositions. Now you will say, what is this? What ma'am is telling us something new? Preposition. Preposition means what? The words which tell some relation between noun and pronoun, noun and any other subject or any other word, or it tells relationship between any two words. Those words are called prepositions. On, near, behind, under, in, out, inside, outside, beside, these all words are prepositions. They tells us position of the thing, where the things are kept. It tells us position. So the words which tells us position of things is known as preposition. The word preposition only tells position. Preposition. Preposition. Position of things. Okay. Position of things in the sentence. Those words are called prepositions. Keep in mind. And I have given you examples. How many examples are given to you? 5 examples are given over here. And you have to take help of those examples to know position words. When you will go in 2nd standard, 3rd standard, you will not say position words. Which word will be introduced to you or which word will be told to you? Preposition will be told to you. Don't get confused. Okay? Position words and preposition is same. But for you in simple language it is told position words, and in English grammar it is called preposition. Understood? In this way we have studied today position words. First page. Words that show position are called position words. There is one definition over here. Please learn this definition. Words that show the position are position words. Learn this definition. Okay. This much is enough for today. I think so. Backside something is there of the lesson. Yes. There is fill in the blanks and you have to draw some pictures in the box. That we will do in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you.